the U.S. flag, our symbol of freedom, strength, and unity. It stands tall as a reminder of the sacrifices made for liberty and the values we hold dear. Such a powerful symbol deserves to be illuminated with precision and brilliance. Introducing Westgate's 25-degree 84-watt spotlight, the perfect solution to showcase the beauty and pride of our flag, no matter the hour. Designed with a 180-degree adjustable knuckle and a narrow beam angle, these spotlights focus all 9,000 lumens of illumination on what matters most, ensuring the flag is lit with clarity and distinction at all times. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.